सकता हूँ जी सर।
So students, today we will study properties of multiplication of integers. Addition and subtraction we have done, हम लोग कर चुके हैं addition और subtraction, और आज पढ़ेंगे हम लोग multiplication, properties of multiplication of integers. First is closure property. According to this property, if two integers are multiplied, the result is also an integer. Suppose A and B are two integers, their product AB, this is also integer. Okay, so for example, 7 is an integer, 5 is also integer, their product 35, this is also an integer. Okay, minus 4 into minus 8, minus 4 is also an integer, minus 8 is also an integer, their product minus of minus plus of 4 into 8, 32, this is also an integer. Okay, now next is commutative law for multiplication. Second rule is commutative law. According to, for any three integers or for any two integers a and b, let a and b be two integers. Then according to commutative law, if we multiplied a into b is equal to b into a. Okay, now let us take for example, let a equals to minus 5 and b equals to 8. Now let us take this one, LHS part, left hand side, LHS. This is a into b. Now put the value, minus 5 into 8, minus 5 into 8, minus 40. Now let us multiply RHS, right hand side, b into a, yani 8 multiplied by minus 5, this also comes out to be minus 40. Therefore LHS equals to RHS. ठीक है, so we can write a into b equals to b into a. Means if their order is changed, then it does not affect what? Product. Third property is associative law. Associative law. For any three integers, for any three integers, let those integers be a, b and c. Okay,
yes sir.
so a into b multiplied by c is equal to a into b into c.
So same thing.
It means if the order is reversed, then also it does not affect. In case of integers, it does not affect the result. नाउ फॉर दिस वी कैन, हम लोग एक एग्जाम्पल ले सकते हैं. ए का वैल्यू 5, बी का वैल्यू -8 और सी का वैल्यू 3. इससे भी हम लोग वेरीफाई कर सकते हैं. ओके. नेक्स्ट, फॉर एग्जाम्पल you take LHS, A into B into C. Value of A 5 into -8 into 3 -40 into 3 -120. Now RHS, A into B into C. A, value of A 5 into -8 into 3. Okay, 5 into -24. दिस ऑल्सो इफ यू मल्टीप्लाई, हम लोग मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो क्या आएगा, -120. देयरफॉर वी कैन राइट LHS इक्वल्स टू RHS. ओके. नेक्स्ट लॉ इज distributive law. Next law is distributive law. Fourth law is distributive law. So for any three integers, let those three integers be A, B and C. These are the three integers. Now A, so according to distributive, A multiplied by B plus C, this is equal to A into B plus A into C. This is distributive law. Now let A equals to 5. Let A equals to 5. B equals to -8 and C equals to -6. हम लोग इसको वेरीफाई कर सकते हैं. अब ए लेफ्ट हैंड साइड लेंगे हम लोग और ए बी सी का वैल्यू रखेंगे. LHS इक्वल्स टू A इंटू बी प्लस सी. ए का वैल्यू कितना है, 5 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय बी का वैल्यू -8 प्लस -6. The 5 into this will be -14 equals to -70. Okay. Now अब हम लोग क्या करेंगे, RHS लेंगे, राइट हैंड साइड. A into B plus A into C. ये क्या वैल्यू, 5 इंटू -8 प्लस 5 इंटू -6. दिस इज -40 प्लस -30. तो -40 -30 equals to -70. Therefore LHS right hand side equals to RHS. So for any three integers, a multiplied by b by c, b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. Okay, next property is existence of multiplicative identity. So for any integer a, into 1 equals to 1 into a equals to a, where 1 is known as multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity. Okay. For example, if a equals to 12, then a 12 into 1 equals to 1 into 12 equals to 12. So 1 is multiplicative identity. Next is existence of multiplicative inverse. Rule number 6. Existence of multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. If for integer a, for non-zero integer a, for non-zero integer a, then the multiplicative inverse of a is 1 by a. Okay. Suppose 5 is the integer, तो 5 का multiplicative inverse क्या होगा? 1 by 5. Okay. Next is property of 0. Property of 0. If any number is multiplied by 0, then product is 0. So for any integer a into 0 equals to 0 into a equals to 0. So when any number is multiplied by, कोई भी नंबर 0 से मल्टीप्लाई हो तो प्रोडक्ट क्या निकलेगा? 0 ही होगा. तो स्टूडेंट्स ये थे प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ इंटीजर्स, और इसी जो 7 रूल्स मैंने बताए हैं, इसी रूल्स पे आप लोग एक्सरसाइज कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो डू कंप्लीट द एक्सरसाइज. हैव अ नाइस डे. थैंक यू.